What's up, guys? Working on my 96 Grand Cherokee, my ZJ today. And like all other Grand Cherokees, the door pins are shot on the driver's door. We replaced them a couple years ago, but they pretty much spit out right away. And I read online the Dorman bushings are junk, but we're going to try it again and see what happens. As you can see, it's not even like, it's got issues. So you have to like push it in and then pull it out. But let me see if I can get this on camera. See how much the door moves? See if I can get this on camera. Get Wayne to lift up. There you go. You guys see that? That's shot. So that's what we're gonna work on today. Basically, they're 4 10 millimeters. You got 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top, and then you gotta unplug this little guy here, and then the door will come off. So this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna wanna press these two together. The outer piece will come off like that. And then you want to pull it out and you want to release the safety lock, so it'll be in there. I can't lock it unless there's something. So you'll push this out till it's out like that, and then I just take a screwdriver in here because this little tab doesn't really squeeze anymore, and then just pull like crazy, and she popped right off. Here's the other piece. So now we're gonna finish taking the door off. There, she's all yours. And we just had it sitting on a little motorcycle jack there so that no one had to sit there and hold it the entire time. You can use a regular jack, or you and your buddy can just sit there and hold it until you get the bolt out. So as you can see, this guy just like flops around in there. I can probably, yeah, I can pop the pin out by hand. And you can see, well, that one's missing, and this one is all freaking foobarred up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's actually wore into the pin like pretty decently. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. So here's the kit. It's got 2 bushings and 1 pin. It's Dorman 38422. I'm going to try these again. A lot of people do say they're junk and they have the exact same problem I had. I want to try this again before I try the other option, which is, I've never tried them or dealt with them before. They're a whole pin, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like a roll pin deal, but it says that you have to drill out the holes bigger, which if you go to that point, there's no point of going back. You can't ever put these bushings back in. The holes are too big. So I'm going to try this one more time. If it doesn't work out, we're going to try the other ones and see what happens. So there is a little bit of play in the top one as well. While the door is apart, we're just going to go ahead and do it. It's probably from the lower one being bad for so long again after I replaced it. So there's not much left to the lower one, so I should be able to get it out here pretty easily. Got it.
That bottom one in all the way.
Yeah, but it's loose. Alright, so now we're going to get the top one out of there. Oh, she's in there pretty good, huh? There we go. Now I need a smaller one, unless you can wiggle it on the bottom. Can you get her? Oh yeah, see guys, this is the exact, this one's trash too. Look at that, it's all broken to pieces. Frickin' Dorman. Alright, so basically just get the bushings in there. They're not that difficult to get in. The bottom one's just slid in, which is probably going to cause me an issue again. Can't get it in, it's too long. What if we JB weld this sucker? Now the bottom one is a bit loose. The bushing doesn't fit. If this spits it right back out, like most likely it's gonna, we're just gonna have to get that other kit where you drill the holes bigger. Alright, so Wayne's in there, of course, just putting the door back on the same way you got it off. Just put the bolts in and hook your wires back up. Alright, we're going to do the first close and see if the...
Can
you turn that... Can you turn that heater... Oh. Oh yeah, it shuts just as good as it used to. Nothing fell out of the bottom. So now he's just lubing the door up with some PB Black wheels that hold the door open, like door checks. And the other side, they're completely rusted shut. You get it? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. It will only be helpful if you're actually replacing ones that somebody already replaced. If you're doing them from factory, they're actually crimped on, so you have to cut it out, and then you'll do the same steps that we did. So we adjusted the door a little bit, and it works a little better now than it used to, so I'm super happy. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, comment down below, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.